Hi boys, hi girls. Today in repair head unit Prology model CDM300. It turns on, even the sound is there. The problem is different. Even in the disconnected state, current consumption of 300 milliamperes, respectively, with prolonged idle drains the car battery. 430 in the on state and 300 in the off state. Moreover, if we leave only the yellow wire energized, the current should be at zero, but we have 200 milliamperes. So there is clearly something wrong with this unit. I noticed one odd thing. After some time, the heatsink on which the amplifier chip is fixed becomes warm. It means that the chip continues to work even after the power is turned off. Here is TDA7388, and if we refer to the datasheet, we will see that pin 4 and pin 22 are responsible for the sleep mode. And just on pin 4 we have this voltage of 7.6 volts. So the chip is always on. It is unlikely to find a schematic for this Prology, so we need to look at the wiring, follow the tracks, what goes where, and most importantly, where this plus comes from. You can see that the track from pin 4 goes somewhere here. And after some time, the mag is completely repaired. Now the current drops to 50 milliamps after disconnection. Yeah, that's not 5 milliamps. But if you connect the power supply correctly, i.e. red and yellow separately, the current is at zero. The whole problem turned out to be this small transistor, which was near the capacitor on the power supply. Instead of SMD, I soldered a lead one. Now I will find something suitable, and I can give it to the owner. Thanks for watching, good luck to everyone, and see you all again.